Good morning all of you. Today we will discuss the exercise of the poem. This is your first question. Where does the traveler find himself? What problem does he face? If you read your poem, you can write the answer of the questions. Where does the traveler find himself? The traveler find himself in a complicated situation or a dilemma. Dilemma means complicated situation. As he had a road which divided in two directions in front of him, and he had two choices to choose one of them. Okay, there are many conditions. You can write what you learn in your poems. What problem does he face? What problem does he face? Okay, try to write this. I will explain again if you not write your answer. Discuss what these phrases mean to you. There are some phrases in poems lines. First, a yellow wood means a wood with yellow dried leaves. A forest with yellow dried leaves. Okay, it was grassy and wanted wear means it was full of grass and it is unused. It was full of grass and it is unused. No traveler went on the road. The passing there go ahead means go ahead. Leaves no step had trodden black. Leaves no step had trodden black means covered with leaves, the road, and no passerby and no traveler had gone on the road. There was no sign of any traveler. How bay leads on to bay. Okay, how bay leads on to bay. The poet knew very well. The poet knew very well how a road diverged from the other road. Okay. Is there any difference between the two roads as the poet describes them in stanza 2 and 3? Right now, is there any difference between the two roads? The poet has two options to choose them one up. Okay, in stanza 2 or 3, read stanza first 2 and 3 and clear the meaning of the first, second and third. In the last two lines of the poem, okay, describes the last two lines of the poem. Okay, What is descriptions? Okay, the poet find himself in a such dilemma of life. Okay, many people finds out himself in his lives several times in a difficult situations, and we have to take a decision which we should take wisely. This is last lines explanation. Okay, what do you think the last two lines of the poem means? I explain. Looking back, does the poet regret his choice or accept? Okay, what is meaning of last two lines? You would have to explain in your own language. Okay, not books language, in your language. After you have made a choice, do you always think about what might have been, or do you accept the reality? Okay, after you have made a choice, if you have created this type of situation, that time what you should do right now. Okay, then you can write this okay, and this. There are beautiful quotation. Time is not measured by the passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, note down next questions. Exercise, this is your exercise. Write central idea of the poem. Central idea of the poem. Okay, first write central idea of the poem. I told you how to write central idea in last videos. Okay, you can start the poem The Road Not Taken, composed by Robert Frost. Okay, it is an inspiring poem to us. Okay, one morning Robert Frost, or the poet, found himself in a yellow wood in a difficult situation. Okay, he had a road which divided in two directions in front of him, but he had to choose one of them because he cannot walk the both. Okay, after that, after some time, he chose the second path that was full of grass and unused. It made all the differences. At last, the poet suggests us we find ourselves in such difficult situations, in such dilemma in our life. Dilemma means difficult situations, critical situations, and then we would have to take decision. Then that time we have to take a decision which we should take wisely. This is central idea of the poem. You can write in your language. Okay, next questions. Second question, to read two roads, read two roads from here undergrowth. Okay, read this paragraph. From here and here. Okay, and give the answer of the following questions. Okay, first questions, from which poem has the above stanza been taken? Okay, been taken. What is the name of the poet? Is in this question side, what is the name of the poet of the poem, of this poem? Okay, of this poem. Second questions, who could not trouble both? Who could not trouble both? Third questions, which word in the above stanza rhyming word, rhyming with stood? Rhyming words means same sound words. Rhyming words means same sound words. Okay, same tone words. Okay, this is your exercise, and also you would have read second stanza and make some questions from this second stanza and write the answer. I will check it tomorrow. Okay.